Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today we are explore Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim. First we will talk about MG Marg. This place is a must visit because without it a visit to Gangtok is really incomplete. All Indians will know that always an important road in any city or township in India would be named as Mahatma Gandhi Road or MG Road. Gangtok is no exception and this is the town center of the hill town.
Have I held you tonight under the moonlight in your English garden, so beautiful? For when
And this is Bhutia Waterfalls. This is a wonderful waterfall located on the North Sikkim highway towards Tashi viewpoint and about 3 km from Gangtok town. While visiting Tashi viewpoint or returning, it's worth stopping at this roadside waterfall for some time. Height of the fall isn't much, it's the width of the fall that makes it so beautiful. The source of the water is at Ratechu. Flowing water falls over a canopy of green creepers.
and my spirit is set
It's a wonderful sight to take pictures.
Have I told you lately? Well, thank you for being who you are, deep inside. Have I shared with you lately how much I love all being with you?
Close to Tashi viewpoint is Gangtok, a temple of Lord Ganesha. It's located at an altitude of 6,500 feet above the sea level.
Into your eyes and see myself, and then I feel your love.
You will need to climb a staircase to reach to the upper levels where the temple and viewing area are located.
And then I realize in my heart
The temple itself is quite small.
and my spirit is set free. Have I told you today? Thank you for taking me to the top.
And last but not the least, this is Gangtok Flower Exhibition Center. The Reach Park runs along the Reach Road and is full of flowering plants and shops.
Under the moonlight in your English garden, so beautiful.
Stay tuned with us for the next part.
In your English garden,